Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing super well and healthy and happy during these days. I'm really excited about today's video. I'm actually going to do an August favorites, which is something I haven't done in like years. I'm guessing my last favorites video was probably back in 2015. So I feel very nostalgic doing something like this, but recently I've had so many things that I've been using every single day that I've been obsessed with, and I need to share that love with someone else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like favorites videos, or if you end up finding something that you maybe want to try for yourself, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already. So with all that being said, let's just hop right in. Okay, so since I'm already in my living room, I figured I might as well start with the first item that's closest to me, and that is, you guys, my beer froster. So I moved to this apartment in downtown LA like about a month ago, I'm assuming. It could be more than that at this point. We still don't have a couch. We just recently got bar stools, which was very exciting. But it was so funny, like as soon as I moved in, my friends at New Air gave me this beer fridge froster. This is the same company that gave us like our wine fridge, which we use all the time to store our bottles. But this beer froster, you guys, such a game changer. Like I kid you not, this is by far my favorite thing I have in my apartment. Like it is my baby. Like you guys are currently sitting on it. I'll show you guys why it's really cool, okay? Look, I know what you guys are thinking. Okay, so it's a smaller fridge. Guys, no, this fridge is specifically for beer. I mean, you could put other cold beverages in there. I mean, I do. So, I mean, I got some beer up here, I have my LaCroix over here. Okay, so it has these two functions that I'm obsessed with. Okay, so it has a turbo mode, and like let's say you're hosting a party, and let's envision a world when there's no pandemic. We can actually host a party safely and have people over, and you have a pack of beer that's room temp. Okay, you just got it at the store. Throw it in, press turbo, 1 hour, your beer is frosty cold. What? Like so crazy. Let's say, you know, like you're hosting a party and everything, and you know how people like will open the fridge and keep on grabbing drinks, and like that can definitely change the temperature inside the fridge and your beer can get kind of wonky. This has a party mode, so if you press it for 6 hours, it'll maintain a constant temperature, and then your beer won't get warm or anything. What? So crazy. So if any of y'all are beer lovers like me, this is the epitome of beer fridges. Like this is just so amazing. I love having it. So thank you New Air for sending it to me. I like definitely see it as like a moving in gift, and I love you guys for it. I'm pretty sure they gave me a discount code. I think it's Mandarin, and I'll put a link down below. So if you guys are interested in like seeing this fridge for yourself, checking it out on the website, I'll put a link down below. All right, so next item on this list. If you have seen my recent What I Eat in a Week, I show these next two items, okay? And I'm so obsessed with them. All right, first item that I have been obsessed with is this Isa Does It cookbook. The recipes in this book are so amazing. I will say, I've only tried like 3 and there's so many in there, but each one of them is like one of my favorite dishes to make. So the fact that the 3 ones that I chose are amazing, I wholeheartedly believe that this entire book is probably so delicious, and I have yet to make a lot more recipes. Like I literally have bookmarked a few. Ooh, I bookmarked this pad thai that I've made, and it's so freaking good. If my roommate Tarisha was here, she would say she loves this pad thai more than other pad thais at restaurants. Like that's how good it is. It's gone to the point where I get a lot of cookbooks from like my birthday or for holidays because people know I love to cook, and this one is for sure one of my favorites. I always use it, and I always have it here on my counter. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, okay, this knife. This knife is a big deal to me, and I'll say why. As we all know, I'm crazy. No, I'm just kidding. I love to cook, all right? And a good knife is such a staple when you're cooking. Misen, so this company, they gave me this knife pretty much as soon as I moved into this apartment. And guys, this knife is just crazy sharp. By far the best quality knife I've ever had or ever owned. You know, it's because like the knives I usually get from like TJ Maxx or like from Ross, you know, like they're good knives, but like they're not high quality knives like this one. So I'm gonna put this down because it's very dangerous to like wave all over the place, but by far, if you love cooking, highly recommend this knife. It's so amazing. Ooh, I am sweating so much. Every time I film, I now learned I have to turn off the AC because it gets super loud. And you know, in the meantime, struggling, you know, may have some pit stains, but it's okay, we'll move past it. So next thing I have to share is this bed. For those of you that don't know, in the first 2.5 weeks that I was living in this apartment, my mattress was literally on the ground because my other bed broke and I needed to find a replacement and I was too lazy to buy one. And then, you know, long story short, I ended up finding this one platform bed on Amazon, I think. It was so cheap and I just love how simple it looks. You can just tell the quality is so good. My other bed was from IKEA and it would break all the time. Like the slats, like they would always fall down. It was so cheap. And this one you could tell is like durable wood. So I'm just really, really excited to have a new bed. Another thing, so I've shown this on my Instagram, but oh god, it is, haha, guys, this art, wow, yeah, pretty awesome. I suck at interior design. I don't know if I give off a different vibe. Like, I don't know if it looks like my room is aesthetic, but it honestly, like, it takes a lot of effort for me to like figure out what goes with what. I really rely on Pinterest a lot, like opinions from friends. When it came to my walls at my other place, it was literally, I kept them bare. I had nothing on it really for most of the year. Figuring out artwork just seems like such a chore and just seems like so much hard work. And also art is really, really expensive. So I didn't want to commit to buying an expensive piece of art, put it on my wall, and then realize, oh crap, it doesn't go with anything in here. Life hack. So I figured out there's this website called unsplash.com, and it's a website where photographers or like literally any freelance artist can upload their work, and then you could download these super high quality HD photos for free, like super crazy. So I picked some of my favorites. What I did was I downloaded all of these photos on my phone, I added a filter that I liked, and then I printed them out at Costco, and then I went to IKEA right after and I bought frames that kind of fit each one. But I really relied on Pinterest to figure out, okay, how big do the middle ones need to be so they like fit nicely in between the big ones. It was a lot of hard work, but I figured it out, you guys, and I really like it. Alright, next thing I need to share is this 3-tiered shelf. How beautiful is it? I love how minimal it is, and it was honestly really easy to build. Like honestly, you don't have to build it at all. You just have to attach these black metal parts to the wall, and then you just stick in the wooden frames. Like they're not like attached to anything. Like you literally just set it on and it rests on it. Like how simple, so DIY. It's just another place for me to put stuff, knick-knack or something like this, or it's a place for me to put my plants. I got these ones recently. I will say if there's an earthquake and if this falls on me, it's game over from you guys. The fact that I have 2 cactuses up here, like I'm really asking for it. But yeah, I think it's just so minimal and really cute. It kind of goes with my bed. I'm obsessed. I really, really like it. All right, you guys, so we are almost done with this favorites video. But before I finish, I have like 2 more items, and this, what I'm showing you guys on, is one of them. So this vanity mirror I have had for years. It's pretty bougie, it's expensive, okay, I will say that. Like honestly, like one of my favorite pieces in my room, just because my room is pretty dark. Like I think the windows face south, so it doesn't get a lot of sunlight throughout the day. I could be super wrong. Yeah, this just adds so much light to my bedroom. The light bulbs are super expensive on their website. I highly recommend just getting them on Amazon. You'll save a lot of money. Like I kid you not, like hundreds of dollars. They're such high quality, you can dim them like no problem. I'll link the light bulbs down below along with the mirror itself. All right, so last thing I want to share is actually a beauty item. I know, very exciting. So this color isn't the color that I use every single day. It's honestly in one of my purses somewhere because I use it that often. This product in general is amazing. I use it every single day. Literally just my holy grail at this point. This is the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of gloss because it's kind of sticky sometimes. Sometimes it has too much glitter. I get that. But the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oils, so they're pretty much like a lip gloss, but because it's an actual oil, it doesn't leave that like stickiness on your lips. Like it makes your lips feel so moisturized. It feels like you're kind of like applying a liquid lip balm, but with the same color as like a lip gloss. Oh my god, so beautiful. It just leaves such a beautiful shine. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Like, are you kidding me right now? This is like one of my favorite lip products. Yeah, that's pretty much it with my August favorites. These items that I showed specifically are just top tier favorite items of this month. I literally use a lot of these every single day, and I don't know how I would use the shelf every day or the picture frames, but you know what I mean. Comment down below what your favorite item was, or if you have an August favorite yourself, be sure to share below so we can all reap the same benefits. And with all that being said, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night, wherever you are in the world. I love you a ton, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!